Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Parkmount Financial Partners YouTube page. Today, we're going to be talking about a controversy surrounding Dave Ramsey.
You will win with money 100% of the time. Number one, you need to.
We're going to be taking a closer look at some of Dave Ramsey's advice and criticisms and talking about how we should be thinking about that so we can be more informed consumers. So, first of all, Dave Ramsey has, for decades, been a lighthouse for many Americans navigating the stormy seas of debt with his famed snowball method of debt elimination and illuminating a path towards financial freedom. But the seas of financial planning are not always calm. Many financial experts have been entering their criticism of Dave's ideas, particularly his optimistic assumptions about the stock market, as well as his insistent sale against low interest mortgages. Look at what Dave's target market is. He is focused on middle market of America, emphasizing debt elimination and financial empowerment. His vast legion of followers and positive reviews and book sales are a testament to the efficacy of some of his strategies. Many people are challenging Dave on his views about consumer debt, particularly low interest mortgages. It stands in contrast to other financial authors such as Rick Edelman, who propagate maintaining a low interest mortgage instead of paying it down early, dedicating additional money towards other investments that can generate a higher interest than your mortgage interest rate and create more wealth. But let's be real about Dave's message. He's talking to people that are having issues managing their finances and as a consequence have had imprudent consumption habits and resulting consumer debt. This requires a very clear and staunch message. Dave's approach might seem rigid to some, but he does have a good way of getting through to people that need to hear it. Secondly, how to manage a situation like this is a nuanced and complex topic. Careful evaluation of risks, cash flows, interest rates, and personal factors are all required to making a good decision. A comprehensive analysis is really required to determine what makes sense for each individual. Dave can only go so far. He's a public personality. Maybe we can cut him a break for not diagnosing a situation perfectly for everyone. It's undeniable that leverage adds risk, and Dave sticks to his guns on the topic. It's up to each person to decide for their situation or with the help of a qualified financial advisor if that incremental risk is worthwhile in their situation. It may very well not be. Secondly, let's talk about another criticism people have laid on to Dave. He has promoted aggressive growth funds, occasionally boasting the possibility of 12 to 13% returns in the stock market.
Had huge upside potential with very little downside risk. Does that ring a bell? Okay, great.
This has sparked the debate about the prudency of his advice. But let's remember, Dave is a public inspirational figure, and his voyage is really to educate a lot of people on the uncharted territory of the stock market and what the possibility is for substantial growth of their wealth in participating in the appreciation of many great public companies. This is a sound strategy, and optimism on the topic is not completely out of line. Especially if we're thinking about it from the perspective of inspiration towards engaging in your personal financial planning. Furthermore, well, as a financial planner, I would never recommend someone assume they get 13% returns, and some of this criticism does harbor a little bit of validity. It's important not to get lost in the details and recognize that Dave is a public figure and does have principles that stem from a well-reasoned approach. As people get more financial information and experience and amass more success, it's likely that they're going to require either professional financial planning help or a lot more knowledge around what they should be doing from a tax planning standpoint, retirement planning standpoint, investing standpoint, and financial decision making as a whole. As we sail through financial planning, it's crucial to remember that principles are going to be there, but they apply differently to everyone's situation. So your best resource is your own critical thinking. Here's some useful financial planning books that we recommend. And let's hoist a flag to a world where we can openly discuss around financial planning, knowledge, and information. Your journey towards financial freedom is yours and yours only to chart. Until next time, stay informed and make some good decisions.